Welcome. In this video I will show you how to go full screen on Windows. To open a window in full screen, you can either click the square icon in the top right corner of the window, or alternatively you can double tap the top bar of the window, or you can just grab it and drag it to the top of the screen. And all of this will put your window into the full screen. Additionally, you can use F11 button, which will also open the full screen mode, and then to disable this full screen mode you gotta press F11 once again. And if you're playing a game and want to put it on the full screen, you can use the combination of Alt and Enter button pressed simultaneously. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.